If you're one of the many Facebook users who have been watching videos on the social media platform, you may be wondering how to delete your Facebook watch history permanently. In this video, I will show you how to clear all of your past watch history on Facebook so that no one can see what you've watched. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. So first of all, let's open up the Facebook mobile application. And then what you want to do is tap on these three lines at the top right corner. And then tap on this gear icon to go to your settings and privacy. So when you are on this screen, scroll down until you find the activity log. So for me, it's under your information. Once you find it, tap on it. So now what you want to do next is scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on View Activity History. And then it shows you all of your activity on Facebook, so tap on this filter option at the top left, and then tap on Categories. And then you want to tap on Logged Actions and Other Activity. And then scroll down a little bit, and as you can see, there is an option called Videos You've Watched, so go ahead and tap on it. And that will show you all of the videos that you've watched on Facebook. So if you want to clear these, what you want to do is tap on these three dots over here, and then tap on Delete at the bottom. That will clear that specific video watch history from your account. But what if you've watched a bunch of videos and you want to clear that history in one click? It is actually pretty simple. Just tap on the Clear Video Watch History option over here and then tap on Clear. So now Facebook has started to clear your video watch history, and if your watch history is long, it might take some time to clear. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. If this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more quick and easy tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.